morning everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Abby Bliss White. We are using my vlog camera this morning because I am getting ready to go to my little Chanel makeover. Oh, you guys, I have been on a little bit of a Chanel toot. And I'm so excited because one of my little good makeup friends at the counter had invited me to come down and get a little makeover. And so I am ready. I did get my hair done the other day, and I did have to say I cheated just a little bit on my no buy. Just a teeny bit. I've actually been super proud of myself. I got together with Penny from Penn Smith Skincare, and you guys, I literally did not buy a single thing. I was tempted, but I knew I was coming to this on Friday, so I have 1 day dispensation, so I guess I should go wild. I'm just kidding. Mandy, I've been staying strong. So Mandy Davis and I are doing a no buy until the Nordstrom sale. I don't think it's as hard for her as it is for me, but anyhow, because I'm just easily influenced. But I am excited. And okay, so I'm barefaced here, but let me tell you about, this was funny. My hairdresser, her name's Andrea Marlowe. She works at Ted Isaac Salon here in Portland, and she sells a few Balmain. Let's see if we can get this up. Hair products. So this will be about the only thing I can afford from this designer. I do actually want one of those blazers. I just think it's classic. So anyways, she was going on and on about this overnight repair serum, and you just take a couple drops. I'm not going to do it right now because she said you'll want to rinse it out overnight, but you take a few drops and then you just put it through the ends of your hair, not all over, just through the ends, and it really, really helps. And you guys, it smells amazing. Gosh. Okay, so speaking of smell, then they had the little silk perfume. So you guys, I'm a total sucker for any sort of something that smells good. So this guy is kind of unique though. You know, you gotta go from far away, okay? But it really gives you almost like the most shiny hair. So I'm gonna see if I can get it. I don't wanna put too much. So here's the funny thing, when she does my hair, okay, can you kind of see that, you guys? I'm gonna see if you can see. It adds like such a pretty shine to your hair. So it's not just perfume. It's actually like a shine product. I'm gonna do one more little, she said not to do too much. Can you guys see? Because I have fine hair, and you guys, if I use too much product, it will be greasy. Okay, so anyways, these two, smells delish. Hey, I thought this was good. This guy is $20, and I had been tempted to get a hair perfume from Jo Malone, and so I think this is better because it also has some hair properties in it. Okay, so 2 little cheats here, and I will keep you informed on these products. But excited. And then you guys, I'm gonna take you with me and we'll go and we'll get some makeup on my face. I'm gonna share what they use and then the things that I actually purchased. I think I better go put some eye drops in. We'll lighten up those eyes with the Lumify, but I'm so excited and I will be back. Hi guys, I am home from getting my Chanel little makeover. And, okay. And this is the final look that she came up with. I'm a little bit proud of myself. I did not go too wild. I had dispensation to buy today. But they used the Chanel CC cream, and I did pick that up because I had the old version of this and I loved it. And this has been kind of like, I wanted to try it out, and it has coverage, but it looks very natural on the skin. So she just used that. And then it was funny. She used Golden Sun, which I already own. She used the medium let's see, I think it was medium deep kind of Le Beige Healthy Glow powder that looked kind of tan, and she used it on the cheeks as well as all over my face. I'm a little bit intrigued by that. She was totally not high sale at all. Like, I don't think she was gonna care if I bought, you know, I was gonna buy something. Then you guys, I was looking for, I wanted to pick up a Rouge Allure. So that was our mission, and she was so cute, you guys. She did put on a Rouge Allure in Modern, and it was just pulling a little orange on me. That was what she really loves, that color. This was the artist, but I didn't end up buying it. It just is a little bit orange for me. I knew I probably wouldn't end up wearing it. So I picked up okay, I did pick up one. Let's see how this works. This is 118 Eternal Rouge Allure Velvet Extreme. And I got the little, it clicks out. This was just more up my alley. It is a very kind of pink nude. I'm seeing, you guys, this camera usually will zoom in. Let me see if I can get, okay, there we go. And it just seemed, it had a little bit more pink in it. This just seemed like I would do. So what they said is you're just gonna kind of tap this in and then press the lips together. And so as you can tell, you guys, this one has just kind of a little stain to it. And then obviously for my kind of drier lips, I'm gonna put a gloss on this. But this is the color itself. And I think that it's kind of a cool powdery kind of formulation. It's not really drying. It kind of has that, I think when they say that pigment, you definitely get it, and you don't have to go super heavy. So let me know what you guys think about this one. It's definitely a nude, but it's really a nude pink. I would say nude rose. The other one that I saw, you guys, was a true, it was pulling really orange, and I felt like it was really making my teeth look yellow. Let me know if you guys have that issue either. And then I picked up one of these guys, and that's because I've been curious about it, and I thought you guys might be too. I've heard wonderful things. I have tried this color in Rosewood on before and loved it. This again is going to be right in my kind of zone here. Just a really nice neutral that's going to stay on, and then you put this the gloss over top. And so that was on my list to pick up. And on the eyes, you guys, she used the Le Beige palette in Deep. And if any of you guys have that, it is kind of similar to the Le Beige palette that I just purchased. So I wasn't gonna pick that up. It has a little bit more gold in it. I admit I was even intrigued by it, but it isn't, I do not need another one of those neutral palettes. I was intrigued. I kind of wanted her to try on the Blurry Mauve, but I have a feeling that they didn't have it in stock because she wasn't trying any of the new stuff on. What I thought was strange, because I was like, woo. Okay, now, I did not buy the quad that she put on me. It's super pretty, but you guys, I have two of those neutral shadows. I got a really cute little festive makeup bag, and then I got a little gift with purchase. And you know what we'll do is we'll do a whole try on ourselves with this, and then I will go through this whole bag with you. But I think I'd love to show you this guy on the skin. She even did it up underneath my eyes. She didn't use any concealer. So anyways, this was my experience there. Very low sales pressure whatsoever, to the point where I was like, well, you know, this is my day to have dispensation. We need to be buying some stuff. But anyways, here is that color from that deep palette. I'll place a picture above so you guys can see it. It's a beautiful palette. If you do not have the Beige palette already, or I also have the Le Naturel. So anyways, I've got plenty of those neutral shadows. But I did have to pick up, and I had kind of wished she had put this on my eyes, but I'm just gonna try to use it myself. The Blurry Blue. And let's take a look. You guys, it is so pretty, and it's really wanted to get something that I don't already own. So, oof, look at that beauty. I don't know, you guys, I love teal. I find that these kind of colors, this is gonna be really interesting and fun. I can't wait to play with it. Now again, she didn't put it on my eyes. I'm probably gonna have a learning curve because these are grays and blues that I don't normally wear, but it just was screaming my name. And then, I wanted this the other day, but I didn't buy it, but it goes along with the quad. And I don't know if you guys are like this, but I like matchy match. Like I literally want to get the Beige powder because it went along with my CC. I got the Stilo U in the intense teal. You guys, this is such a pretty color. Oh, I wanted this the first time, and then I was like, oh, I have that Tom Ford kohl, but I really love this formulation. And you know what? Even though we have a neutral eye on, I think we can add a little bit of this. It is so pretty. You guys, I am really into eyeliner, and I know I love these eyeliners. So let's put a little bit like that. It's so pretty. Intensifying. Actually, you know, maybe we'll tight line just a little bit. Whoops. Let's go. I think that Chanel does a wonderful job with these liners. Yeah, you guys, that's pretty. I'm gonna put a little down here so you guys can see the color. Wow. And then we'll smudge this out. We can use this guy because I never use. We can use one of these little guys. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna smudge. It actually looks pretty with that kind of bronzy. You guys see that? Okay, that intense teal just took it up a notch. But I have been loving those. Woo! Okay. Anyways, I cannot wait to do a look with this. I think the interesting thing about the whole blurry season is that they look very fall-like. That's what they were saying. They weren't really pushing them. They feel like these are more, you know, fall tones. And I have to be honest, I was kind of intrigued by the blurry mauve, and the blurry gray was super pretty. And then the blurry green, you know what, it was beautiful. I'm not a huge green eyeshadow girl. I think I overdid it. Okay, that is the eyeliner. Okay, so the question du jour now is, because I'm becoming more of a powder girl, do we like the Healthy Beiges powder? That was my question. I get concerned with having scent in the powder, but that would be my one thing. So you guys, I will be doing a whole look with all of my goodies that I got, and so thrilled about this intense teal. So pretty. I think it's really fun for summer, and I actually think it looks really good. So if you do have that palette, it is the Beige deep palette. This is what she has on my eyes, and I think the fun pop of colorful eyeliner is a good little touch. or I think so. Okay, you guys, I hope this was fun, and I'm gonna be back with a whole little look using all of these products. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.